Are you struggling in your network marketing business and can't seem to get anyone to take a look at your business or buy your product? Well, stick around because I'm going to point out 3 reasons why you will continue to struggle unless you change this one thing coming up next. Hey, what's up guys? This is Tamil here, coming to you with another video for home business owners. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you are struggling in your network marketing business and you're looking for some help with one of 2 things. Either is it getting more leads for your business or recruiting people into your business. Either way, if you're not doing one of those things, then your business probably isn't going to grow. So in my opinion, there are 3 basic reasons why people struggle in network marketing. Now, one reason people struggle in network marketing is because they have the wrong expectation. They expect to recruit all of their family and friends, not realizing that 97% of people that they talk to will never join their opportunity. So you created that list of as many people as you can think of, and you've called everyone on that list, and let's say that one person joined your business opportunity, and maybe, just maybe, you made a couple of sales, right? And now you've ran out of people to talk to. So what do? Well, you have 2 choices. You can continue to bug your family and friends and randomly stop people in the grocery store and at Starbucks. And this is going to lead me to the second reason why I think people, they struggle. They give up. They just quit, and sometime down the road they join another network marketing company and they repeat the process all over again. So you kind of see where I'm going with this. Starting a business is challenging, and you can't expect to just jump in and sponsor 30 people your first, second, or third month in your business. I started my online business, guys, because my goal was to learn how to market my business online in a way that people would reach out to me and send me messages. Network marketing companies do not teach you how to market. And if you're tired of running into the same brick wall, failing at your business, then you might want to check out my awesome system that allows me to leverage my business, generate those leads that are actually interested in what I do. Now, if this is you, because it was definitely me at one point, I think you will continue to struggle in network marketing if you're trying to build this business the old school way. And I know what many people may say, that way is not dead, and that the only way that you can grow a network marketing business is belly to belly. To be honest, I know some top earners who have built a huge organization, sharing their opportunity with their friends and their family, and they've hit those high ranks. However, a lot of people are uncomfortable with talking to people. And when I first started my network marketing business, people would say to me, I'm not a salesperson, or I don't like to sell. But you don't have to be a quote unquote salesperson. All you have to do is learn how to market your business and become a problem solver. Can your business opportunity solve people's problems? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, duh, Tamil, of course my business solves people's problems. Well, I chose the new school method of marketing my network marketing business on the internet using attraction marketing because of 3 reasons. My first reason was because of targeted leads. I can't tell you how many times I've talked to people who were not interested in my business opportunity, and I would get so frustrated because I got on the phone with a bunch of tire kickers. I can't tell you how many follow-up calls I've made thinking that it was going to turn into a sale when actually people gave me the runaround because they were not interested in my network marketing business. My second reason for starting an online business was to reach more people. And the best thing that I've ever done in one day was talk to no more than maybe about 6 people. And that was because I was meeting people who were with someone at the time when I met them. So if I ran into a husband and wife couple, that would count as 2 people that I talked to for the day. But I knew that I could not run through the numbers fast enough in order to meet qualified people. You see, I knew that I needed to talk to at least 25 people a day in order to show my presentation to at least 5 people a day. So if you're not hitting those type of numbers, then you're probably going to notice that your business isn't going to go anywhere. Let me tell you guys, this is a lot of hard work. I just couldn't make this happen, and I spent several years running into a brick wall when it came to generating leads daily for my business. I just couldn't reach enough people fast enough, and that's when I started getting online, researching how to build my network marketing business online from home. Okay, and lastly, my third reason was for leverage. Let's face it, if you like the multi-level marketing, business, it's because of this passive income opportunity that allows you to leverage people's time and money, because that's what we're in this business for, right? That's what it's all about. I wanted to learn how I can make multiple streams of income with it just being myself. And let me tell you, the internet allows for you to duplicate your efforts using systems and tools that you can put in place. So if you want to learn the exact system that I'm using to leverage my internet marketing business, generate leads, get sales, and sign up people with systems that work for me even while I sleep, then click the link in the description so that you can get started learning how I do that. If you're serious about your business, then you're going to learn a lot about how to market your business online like a professional. But you're going to learn how to get systems and strategies that will allow you to generate leads on social media platforms, get sales, and sign up people into your business. Now, if you have not signed up a single person into your business and you're serious, I mean dead serious, then click the link in the description. And if you're tired of just getting the runaround with people who are just not interested in your MLM opportunity, then it's time for you to make a change and to get your business into fast mode now. Alright guys, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video today, and I hope you got a lot of good nuggets about what you can do to get your business up and going. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I will see you on the next video.